Excuse me, could you tell me where the departure gate for Flight 567 is?
Certainly. Flight 567 departs from Gate 25. Just follow the signs, and you'll find it easily.
Thank you so much. Is there a place nearby where I can grab a quick snack?
Yes, there's a food court right around the corner. You'll find various options there.
Great, I'll check it out. How early should I be at the gate?
It's recommended to be at the gate at least 45 minutes before the departure time for domestic flights.
Understood. I'll make sure to be there on time. By the way, is there Wi-Fi available in the airport?
Yes, there's free Wi-Fi throughout the airport. You can connect to it easily.
That's convenient. Thank you for the information. Is there a bookstore here?
Yes, there's a bookstore on the second floor. They have a wide selection of books and magazines.
Perfect. I have some time to spare, so I'll definitely check it out. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Have a safe journey.
Thank you. I appreciate your assistance. Have a good day.
Okay, let's find out how well you understand what's being said. Try to answer the questions in this conversation. Just 4 questions. Let's start. Question 1. What is the flight number the passenger is looking for? Options are A. Flight 25, B. Flight 567, C. Flight 45, D. Flight 100. Answer is B. Flight 567. How early does the airport staff recommend being at the gate for domestic flights? Options are A. 15 minutes, B. 30 minutes, C. 45 minutes, D. 1 hour. Answer is C. 45 minutes. Where can the passenger find a bookstore? Options are A. First floor, B. Second floor, C. Third floor, D. Basement. Answer is B. Second floor. Is there Wi-Fi available at the airport? Options are A. No, there isn't, B. Yes, only in the food court, C. Yes, throughout the airport, D. Yes, but only for premium passengers. Answer is C. Yes, throughout the airport. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment your score. Thanks for your practice and learning together.